Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone. My name is Kathy. On October 16th, 2024, Mr. Kohberger in the Idaho 4 case filed a motion for order permitting remote, that is virtual, that would be via Zoom or some other platform rather than live participation at hearing. Motion for order permitting remote participation at hearing for a defense witness. Now, what does this motion say? Page 1 states, comes now Brian C. Kohberger by and through his attorneys of record, and hereby moves this court for an order permitting remote participation at the motions hearing, currently scheduled for November 7th, 2024 at 9 a.m. What is this hearing? This is oral argument on all of the defense's motions filed September 5th, 2024, opposing the death penalty, which was responded to October 9th by the state of Idaho, arguing that the death penalty notice should not be struck. So this is an extremely important hearing, and it really is only an issue if Mr. Kohberger is adjudicated guilty, as he is, as we say over and over again, innocent of the charges that have been brought against him under the law. This is, however, a very important hearing, because if he is adjudicated guilty, then the matter goes into sentencing phase and the possibility of capital punishment is on the table. So this is what the September 7th hearing is for. If we go to page 2 of this motion filed by Mr. Kohberger, he states here, this motion is made on the grounds that Dr. Wolf, that is Dr. Barbara Wolf, one of the experts that Mr. Kohberger disclosed on September 5th, 2024. This motion is made on the grounds that Dr. Wolf resides in Florida, and the defense would like to keep costs minimal. Defense counsel has arranged for expert witness Barbara C. Wolf, MD, to be available via Zoom and or WebEx on that date and time. Dated this 16th day of October 2024 by Ann C. Taylor, Esquire, counsel to Mr. Kohberger. Now, it should be noted that the state, in one of their filings of October 9th, has objected to Dr. Wolf appearing as an expert witness in this case. This motion does not mention that fact, but that is an important factor here, because whether or not Judge Hippler ultimately grants or denies this motion to have Dr. Wolf appear remotely rather than having to get on a plane from Florida and fly clear across the country to Ada County, Idaho for the live hearing, it still bears mentioning that Judge Hippler must first grant the motion that she is a proper expert witness over the state's objections. If you would like to review this motion, please follow the link that I have provided in the description to this podcast episode to view it for yourself. Now we will wait to see what Judge Hippler's ruling is on this. Number one, whether or not Dr. Wolf will be permitted to testify via Zoom or WebEx or some other virtual platform, or if she needs to come to Ada County, Idaho and appear live, and more importantly, if she will be struck or permitted to be a defense expert witness at the November 7th hearing. Thank you, as always, for joining us here today.